So I am going on an international trip. Super excited. This is what my mom has packed. We are currently at the airport और हम लोग 1.5 घंटा जल्दी पहुंच गए. क्यों बजा रहे हो? It's so annoying. I can't wait to show you the villa I have booked. So I am going on an international trip to but with my mom, sister and my brother. So basically what happens is my dad has gone to Germany, and every time my dad does a trip with his boys, my mom takes us on a trip. It's currently 5 a.m. मैं नमाज़ पढ़ने वाली हूँ अभी और this is my breakfast. This is the coffee. Super excited. Super excited for the trip. This is what my mom has packed for such Gujarati yaar. Look at this, dry fruits है, मखाना है, पता नहीं ये क्या है, ये भी मखाना ही है, मतलब फैमिली के मखाने हैं, पनीर है, वाओ, चाट मसाले कैच वाले, अगेन फैमिली, rice, we have rice, we also have dal by the way. ओहो, ये तो भूल ही गए हम. चाय के बिना ज़िंदगी का गुजारा कैसे होगा. कुकर तो नोटिस ही नहीं किया मैंने, इतना छोटा कुकर है ये. We are currently at the airport और हम लोग 1.5 घंटा जल्दी पहुंच गए. Like right now it's 7 a.m. and our boarding starts around at 8:30. 1.5 घंटा, I don't know what are we gonna do, but due to mom's anxiety we can't help. You know what's the worst part about this trip? It's just that this place we are going to does not have direct flight from Ahmedabad, so we are either going via Mumbai, Delhi or Bangalore. I wish it was directly from Ahmedabad. I think they might have direct from Ahmedabad, but that's like really expensive. But it's a surprise where we are going. See this line, my mom wants to go first. ये लंबी लाइन देख रहे हो तुम? हम इसमें जा रहे हैं क्योंकि मम्मी ने बोला हमको. क्यों बजा रहे हो? It's so annoying. मत बजाओ भाई, मत बजाओ. फातिमा का यूनिफॉर्म लग रहा है ना? यूनिफॉर्म Scottish. It's a Scottish costume, mummy. We have finally reached another airport. So we left from Ahmedabad and our flight is via Delhi. So right now we are at Delhi. Check-in counter was entirely a mess. एक तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता है लोगों को चिपक के क्यों खड़े रहना है. Like, can you please stand one hand distance? Now I get it. The school discipline where they used to teach us one hand distance. This is our gang. एक गैंग, उसमें से एक बंदी मिसिंग है हमारी, जो दुबई से आ रही है.
पोडियम खाली है, कोई स्टाफ पेज नहीं लेगा और मेरी बग्गी में भी सब पीआरएम बन रहे हैं गेट नंबर 1 पे.
हम बैठ गए बग्गी में. By the way, all people think that these buggies are usually paid, but it's not paid. It's for free. So next time we go to any airport, Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, and if you find these buggies, just tell them the gate number and they won't say no to you. हुसैन को नहीं पता था तो मैंने बताया. These buggies are for free. क्या मज़े यार वेटिंग एट द गेट. while having juice. और सामने यहाँ पे न्यूज़ लगा हुआ है, नीट के पेपर लीक हो गए हैं. That's just the saddest thing I've ever heard. पेट्रोल तो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. I don't understand one thing. लोग पता नहीं क्यों मतलब फ्लाइट छूटते ही लोग क्यों खड़े रह जाते हैं यार. हम लोग सेम ही बेल्ट में हमारा सामान लेने जा रहे हो और आपको भी सेम ही बेल्ट में लेने जाना है. वी आर इन द सेम बेल्ट. स्टिल पीपल वांट टू गेट अप इन द फ्लाइट. इट इज़ सो अनोइंग. सो गाइज हम तो निकल गए भाई. Our flight was like for 3 hours and it was so smooth. I think I slept for 2.5 hours और बाकी का आधा घंटा मैं खाना खा रही थी. And there was so much leg space even with like a normal economy Air India flight, which was amazing. And देखो हमारी पूरी फैमिली आ गई है. फातिमा भी आ गई है, मेरी छोटी बहन भी आ गई. दुबई से मेरी छोटी बहन भी आ गई है. और अब हम जा रहे हैं. And I don't know. So we just booked a taxi for 7 days. Can't wait to show you. And like the 7 days taxi, he is going to take us everywhere, including driver, including like a big car for 5. It costed us only 30,000 rupees for 7 days. And not only that, our flights per person including return under 30k. It's so cool, it's so cheap, and I think per person for 6 days of trip is going to cost us less than 80k. That's what I think, but let's see the entire trip. Depends on how much I shop. And I can't wait to show you the villa I have booked through Airbnb. So catch you up in the next vlog.